welcome, Gilly Cube. Just a quick video on just how I made my spinner for home. Very cheap and very easy. It doesn't look the best, but it works fabulous. I got this very cheap, I think it's just a cake turntable or a condiment turntable from just the local grocery food store, like the Woolworths, I think it was. And so it's just this there. I had made this one quite a while ago. I'll show you. It's very crude. So this was a different kind of spinner. This was a stone one, and I just literally used tape to tape this. It was cutting board from Kmart, Australia. They're about $8. I had done a resin design on it, but it didn't. I didn't end up using it or selling it, so I decided to make it into my spinner. So I literally put this masking tape, and it actually holds it on really well. And because it's got a handle, it was great for spinning. So I got myself, so I can undo those and redo it, or what I can do with that is put a bigger board on it if I want to make a bigger spinner, which I got this pine round, so that's 450 diameter, and I can do exactly the same. If you want to make it permanent, then you just add some well, not glue. What is it you use? I can't think of the name. I will think of it. Give me a minute or two. So anyway, I thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to make your homemade spinner. I know that the ladies in the US have, you know, the artists sell their spinners, and they're absolutely wonderful, but to get it over to Australia would cost, you know, a lot of money. So I just seen this other cutting board at Kmart. I think it was on special because it wasn't round, it's the squarish one, and I think this was $4. So I thought with my spinner I can do exactly the same with it. I mean, you could risk putting your piece of art on and not attaching it, but knowing my luck, it'd go flying through the air. So all I did was, there is literally, I just used masking tape because I can get this off very easily, off my spinner, chicken dinner. So literally, I just taped it. That's what I did with the other one, and that's just stayed on there and lasted me absolutely ages, donkey's years in fact. There you go. So just thought I'd show you, because I had so many people when I put a piece of art in a video on the spinner, is where did you get your spinner, because you've got a handle. And I felt embarrassed because mine was the El Cheapo homemade, which, you know, I often find the most economical ways of doing things, and it's amazing how well that stays on. Like I said, if you wanted to do it as a permanent to stick on your spinner, definitely use some kind of, not super glue. I know my husband uses it to, not resin, I can't think, he uses it to like do glass fish tanks and things, so somebody will know the name. So that is my very crude spinner, but you've got a handle on it, and this will fit quite, you know, like that, say, I think that is a 16 by 16 canvas, and you can put it on there whichever way you choose. I mean, if I'm putting a piece of art to do on it, then I just put my tape on the back of that, like you can use double-sided tape, but even cheaper than double-sided tape is to just fold your masking tape over like that, and it actually sticks your canvas, so I'd put one on the other side. Oh, and then you've got the handle to spin it, spin it, spin it. That does quite a big one too. Just take that off there a second. But also, if you wanted to go even bigger, again, this one, you could attach that one. And if you haven't got your handle is not sticking out, what I use is I get these longer paddle pop sticks. They're more sturdy, and you can put the paddle pop sticks, and again stick the paddle pop sticks so you've got a handle to, you know, spin it. So that is just a very crude, easy, cheap way. I think I got these for $10, so I've bought them for putting art on and resin coating them to make some Lazy Susans. So you could always, if you wanted to make it your Lazy Susan, you could get that off there and put the spinner onto the board directly. But that is easy weasy, lemon squeezy. That's the spinner, and I got the round one, like I said. And that is exactly what you've got to really be mindful of, because when I last did a piece of art and I spun it, I had black paint sitting about here and it knocked it all over the joint. So there you go. Just thought I'd share that very cheap, economical way of making your own spinner. Spinner, spinner, chicken dinner. Oh, almost forgot. If you want to protect your surface, because you don't want to just laden it with paint and you want an easy clean up, a shower cap popped over as such. I just use a shower cap on it, and then you can actually scrape your paint off the shower cap when you're finished and wash your shower cap and reuse that. So I think I got about 10 shower caps for about $2 in my discount store in my town. So that's another way of keeping your spinner clean. Just thought I'd add that. Mad crazy.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Me wonder. Oh, I wonder. really makes me wonder